Representative Winfield.
Good evening, Dr. Petit. Unlike Senator Kissel, I've been pretty clear about where I am this evening. I think you know that you were in the room when I was speaking earlier. But I'm also concerned about victims, and I made that clear also. But I just, I don't have a question for you. I just want to make a comment, and it's because of your testimony. I think that it's important that you come here. I think it's important that we hear what you have to say. And at least in my mind, unlike what you testified to, your presence in the room matters. I'm not so sure that what I say to you will matter the same way, because what I want to say to you is that you may feel as though those of us on this side don't understand, don't take into account. And I won't say that I understand, but it does matter to me what you have to say and what other victims have to say. But I have to say that as a person who sits here looking at constructing the law and analyzing the law, I also represent people who may not have your particular experience, but they have experiences losing people. And those people don't, some of them do, but not all of them share your opinion. And so I think that when we look at doing what we have to do here, we have to take all of that into account. And I just want to make sure that you understand that because I'm on the opposite side of this issue with you, and because some of the other people in the room are on the opposite side of the issue, it's not because we think that the lives of those who've committed these crimes are more important than the victims. I actually don't believe that. In no way do I believe that. And I just think it's important for those of us on the opposite side to make sure that we really articulate that it is not that thing that makes us be in the position that we're in, and that is, at least in my mind, is that we're trying to be careful about what we do. And I think that's as important as taking into account the fact that you came here, the fact that you have the circumstances that you have, and that's why I make the decisions I make. And I just wanted to make that point to you.
Well, I thank you, and I'm a pretty careful listener, and I was very happy to hear you speak about victims on several occasions today, so that was well noted. I'm sorry, I don't know what you're from Hartford? New Haven. I'm sorry. And I obviously can only speak for myself, but I agree. I've been in a position to make some statements, and I thought I should stand up for victims, because every night or every other night on TV there's another victim, be it from Hartford or New Haven or elsewhere, Eastern Connecticut, one of the small towns, Winstead, somewhere there's another victim. And until it's happened to you, you don't know how it strikes home every night. A young woman was killed in our town, Plainville, this past week, and Johanna's communicated with her dad already, and we know we can't speak for everybody, but we feel we should come out and make statements and try to represent the interests of at least some of the victims that are out there who may not be comfortable in doing so or be able to do so.
And I thank you for that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.